Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to add like cute, fancy, different text to anything really, to your social media, to your home screen app folders, anything where you can copy and paste the text to. Once I put it like on my Instagram, I had a lot of people asking me for it. I feel like it's something really simple, but I feel like it's something a lot of people don't know. So I thought it would be great to make a video and show you guys. Before we get into this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how to add fancy text to your stuff, keep watching. I'm going to be working on my iPhone, and I'm going to be recording it on my computer. Alright. There are a couple websites you can find these texts. I think I only know of 2 or 3. I'll link them down below, but today I'm going to show you what I feel like is the easiest one and my favorite one to use. So let's go into the Explorer. So the one I like to use, Cool Fancy Text Generator, 𝒽𝓋𝑒𝓇𝓎𝑜𝓃𝑒. Again, I'll link everything down below. But I like this one just because it has this space right here where you can enter the text that you want to change, and I don't know, everything is just clear and simple and right to the point, I guess. So let's so what I want to do is I want to add a different text to my name on my Instagram. So you see my name, I want it to be like in a nice like script writing. So let's go back to 𝒽𝓋𝑒𝓇𝓎𝑜.com, type in whatever it is you want to transform. So I'm going to do my first and last name. Okay, and you can see everything is all listed there. So all the different type of text, bubbles, small caps, currency, double stroke, bunch of different apps to choose from, so you can see how far on it goes. But I just want like a simple script. So let's, ooh, I like this one. So there's one bold and there's one handwriting. Let's see how they both look. So let's go with the handwriting one. Okay, so let's go back to my Instagram, edit my profile. I'm going to put it over where my name was in basic text. Okay, so let's do that. See, so you just copy and paste, save the changes, and that's it. And now you have a fancy text. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I like to do also. I like to kind of change the text on my home screen. So let's so you would do the same thing, type in your text, copy whatever it is that you're going to choose, go press on wherever really. All right, let's go to the so I want to change this one. This is my editing folder, so this has all my my photo editing apps on here. So you just want to hold down, highlighting over the word editing. Oh wait, sorry. I was going to put 𝒽𝓋𝑒𝓇𝓎 in there. So I'm going back to 𝒽𝓋𝑒𝓇𝓎.com. Okay, delete that, and let's type in editing. Okay, so let's pick this one. I actually have some of them done already, so I have to see if this is, I think this is the same thing. Actually, oh, I don't want the E. Hold on. I don't want the E capitalized. Go back, copy, whoops, I copied the wrong one, copy. Okay, now let's go back, press over it, highlight the editing, or highlight whatever word you're gonna change, paste, and that's it. So you can see I did a lot of my, or most of my tabs with this one. I have sorry, I had to delete some apps because I didn't have space, but usually I'll have Twitter and Snapchat in here. I have to re-download it. But yeah, I have my social, oops, my social app, editing, music. This is for my daughter's folder. So yeah, that's how I add fancy text. I know that seems like such an easy thing, but I don't know. Like I said, I got a lot, when I had posted that on my Instagram, I got a lot of questions of people asking me how I got that text. So it seems like a simple thing, but I feel like not a lot of people know where to go to get that text, or what site to go to. So again, like I said, I'll link the site I use, and I think 2 more other ones. I just like the one I use better because I feel like it's just clear, it's easy. You just type in the word you want, and everything is listed down there below, and you just copy it and paste it to wherever you want. If you're watching this video and you know any other sites, comment down below so everybody else can see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!